Hello and welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an intro for a YouTube channel using a Blender template. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll need to do is to download a software called Blender, and I'll do that right now. So you just need to go to blender.org. And here you just want to click download, and I already have the file, so I can just open it right now. And so yes, this will open up the installer, and you should know how to go through all this. So let me just fast forward through it.
Everything changes.
Okay, so now the installation is over, and then we just need to open the application. And as you can see right here, it opens. So now what we need to do is to go on YouTube and find a Blender template. And there will be a bunch, and then you just need to go into the description of one of these videos, like just say this one. You need to go to the description of one of them, and there you'll be able to find all the download links for all the files that you like. So I already have one right now, so let me just open it quickly. So now what you want to do once you have opened up the file is to read the directions, which are going to be here or in the file, the folder that it came in. It should be in a readme.txt, but right here there are directions right here. You can follow them, but as of now I'm just going to render it out. I'm just gonna click animation, and then it'll start to render it out slowly. It might take a bit, so be patient. Depending on your system, the times may vary. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and drop a like below, and I will see you in the next one.